fiber of the wind.
Cruising slow on a sunlit street, leather seats where the cool cats meet. Bon Camino with a timeless.
So, what we have here is still the same problem, but got something. I don't know if from the last video you saw that. We got a lot of that off, chopped that off. I'm slowly chopping away at this because I hate using, where is my cutoff wheel? My cutoff wheel's on the ground somewhere over here, I hope. Nobody touched my sheet. So, I gotta get these right here, the rivets, the spot welds out of here, and then get the spot welds off the front and the back of here, and pull that away. A simple way I seen in one guy video, I wish I could, I probably have to pin it in the description and see where it is, where I got the source information, because he did the cowl change. I was the only person online that did it. After that, welding this piece that Sammy made for me, I got to put that on the bottom here, just in case you need to see it. I'll show you. Dang it. Okay, give me a second. Okay, almost there. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's biggie. Okay. Somebody stepped on it. It sat here, somebody stepped on it. I knew it. I told him, I said, don't step on it. It got stepped on. Because it is not shaped the same. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Wait, okay, she just came. Okay, there she go. Okay, so it got stepped on. I can tell it got stepped on because... Oh, you stepped on it? Oh, okay. Okay, I was like, somebody stepped on it because it was... Okay, and anyway, then, weld that in. But I got the only reason I haven't welded it in, which will have me closer to the finish line, and then all I have to do is lay the top skin, is because I got to tear this off. But what happens is I have, for some reason, acquired with old age, my ears don't work the same, and they're hypersensitive. So when I'm ping, 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 all of a sudden I hear a ring, 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 ring all night because I've pinged a little bit too much throughout the day. So anyway, this is taking way longer than I thought it would. So I would draw it out, but I don't want her to do all the work. She's like, I'll do it. No, I'm a man. Right? So I can't just it's not that I'm a sexist pig or anything like that. It's just weird. I just feel like I could do this, but it's just, I don't like metal work. I don't. Everybody I know to do it. Like my boy V8, he could do it. Like I seen him do it in his video. He did his apron. It looks so freaking amazing. I'm like, oh God. But then he got the cool welder, and then he has the vision. And then you stop and you do a little bit. You stop and you do a little bit. So I'm pretty much doing that, but it's just I stopped for too long. So anyway, it's just really. And then I bought this stuff, right? Now, they told me what to get. I was going to go get it, but I was like, I didn't feel like making 1,000 stops. And plus, I had this whole little detour thing that took a lot of my money, right? So then I said, well, let me just go to AutoZone and grab something for rust so I can try to treat the rust. This stuff, Permatex, whatever, please do not buy this. It doesn't do anything. It was supposed to convert the rust into a black color and all that stuff like the other rust treatments. It didn't do any of that. So now I have to go grab another metal wheel, spin the metal wheel around here and try to grind some more of the rust off to make it look whatever, and then start getting ready for welding. But I gotta still, don't forget, I still gotta do the drilling out this stuff. And it's just, I don't even want to point the camera at myself because I look like crap, and I'm not going to do anything about it until I feel better. Till I feel better and more confident about the whole project. But it's like, do I really want to go through all this? Maybe I should have just not got this car, but then I like this car and I like the motor. Y'all know I went through a lot for this motor. And it's not that they did anything wrong. It's just that I went through a lot with it because the first motor didn't work. Then I got this one. This one is fast. It got the choppy cam, but it don't got a bigger cam as I had before because this is not, whatever. Anyway, long story short, this is a good fast motor, but the other one's going to be a little more of what I wanted for the goal. But this one gives me the opportunity to add a power adder. So ding, ding, ding. Why complain about something when it actually gave me what I really needed, right? Anyway, this is what I need to be. I don't know if you heard the phrase, if his will doesn't weigh. So, found the bigger screwdriver, since this thing, from when she was working in the last video, I don't know if y'all saw this. This was supposed to be like a chisel type thingy, and it would help me get through the rivets. But it is beat to badam, and yeah, it split and broke. So I've been using a trusty, dusty old screwdriver, right? So basically, I pried it apart. I'm prying everything apart, if you can see, and I'm beating through the rivets. So I got to beat through this rivet, and keep on going down as I go. I'm kind of bending this out. Bending this out so I can see the where the rivet is. I mean, I keep calling them rivets. You know what I mean. Yeah, that's why I don't like to use the technical terms, because I suck at remembering technical terms. So there's a spot weld, there's a spot weld. So every inch there's a spot weld. So crack the spot weld. I cracked one here already. I cracked this first one over there. I cracked that one. Now I have to just keep on cracking at the spot welds until I get all the way down to the bottom. And then I have the skin off. Then I have to take the original bottom piece, cut here, get the measurement here, the measurement here, because that's already A through, so that's actually part of the A pillar. That I have to tear off this, all these pieces right here, and then cut here, and at the bottom of there, weld that piece in first, then weld this piece on the top. But I just got to keep on keeping on with this. I would show you this and do a nice good old time lapse. I could and hook up the thing, but then I have to speed it up, and then it depends on if anybody's even watching half of this. So anyway, I'm gonna just keep on cracking at this, and once I kind of get some more done, I'll show you. Matter of fact, I'll time lapse something so you guys can see something. But I'm just like getting to it, stopping, getting to it, stopping it, and obviously this is not happening in one day. For what I got so far. I mean, well, this won't take one day. I wish it could. But, yeah. Anyway, punch back in a little while. All right, thank you. Mm-hmm. Switch hands, huh?
I can grab a little bit on the other side.
I'm just looking for space so I could stuff that I could just catch on to with the welder. That's it.
Okay.
Something like that.
Well, I got this for you. That's gonna have to be tinged out because so
It's gonna be what?
bent back out, bent into place.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm waiting till I get the sheet. Get the part. Yeah, I got that.
So
Sure. Yeah, I just.
Is there anything else that you need right quick?
No, it's cool.
Sweet.
It's cool. You do that up. I didn't even think I didn't even need you to do that, but good shit. I appreciate it. Oh, that's one last thing I got to do.
There you go.
I was proud of myself for getting that freaking thing.
I'm super happy that's off, actually.
Yeah, I'm kind of proud that was off. That was just what's the name? Let's call that shit goo. Yeah. So since that metal up there isn't that bad, I'm just gonna basically just take the bottom piece from. I don't know where's that. It's over here. Wait, where is it at? Okay. Well, the thing I'm gonna take that bottom piece from there, trim. So I'm gonna cut from here. Okay, yeah, from here, wait, here, and here, and bam.
It's gonna have to look like it is.
Yeah, it'll go in, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there at that line, yeah. And then weld that in, and then after I weld that in, first before I even weld that in, I have to put the knife, weld the knife in the back, for to make that stronger. So weld the knife.
Yeah.
Weld the knife in wherever I can find somewhere to weld at, hopefully. And then add the other piece. That one up there. After I'm done with that, after I put that in, then weld that first piece to that piece, from that piece to the other piece, and babbity bap, then put the cover thing on. Oh, this thing goes before the knife. The knife goes first, then it's this, then it's the other stuff that's coverage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a step. Okay, yeah. So y'all know that's a step. All right, I'll punch you later, but yeah, I got this part though. I'm kind of proud. I got that out. Started grinding out a lot of that rust because the stuff that I used didn't do anything. Didn't convert any rust. It didn't do anything. It's just, don't buy that. Don't buy that. That does nothing. If anybody, I should have used what V8 sent me, but I didn't feel like going to 20 stores after all the stuff I was going through there. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when it's finished, kind of. Everything will be seen, lined up all the way tight. And I have another piece on there, and then it'll be welded together. And then, yeah. So, yeah, I'm kind of excited because now it's starting to look like something, and I look like a mess. So, anyway, so I won't tie you up too long. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. If you don't, hey, it is up to you. I'm not forcing nobody to do nothing they don't want to do. Anyway, but excited, and I can move on to the next step. So anyway, thank you, man. All right.